Okay, here's my 95 Rodeo 3.2 liter. There's a sound coming from the engine. I guess a knocking noise, so I'm going to start it here. See what you guys think. Kind of hear it now. So I'm gonna give it a little gas, see what it's like when I speed up. That's it. Hopefully someone's got some advice on that. Maybe they've experienced this problem before, heard it before. Hopefully it's nothing serious. And let me know what you guys think. If you need another video, if this one didn't come out right, or you can't hear it right, I can post another one. Hopefully get better audio, or maybe you need to see something, let me know. Alright, thank you.